Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to create onboard on Pinterest. It's a very simple task, but a lot of people miss it, so let's get started. Firstly, you need to open the Pinterest app on your cell phone. Once you have opened the app, click on the profile link on the bottom right. Now tap on Find Ideas. Now here you will see plenty options. Click on Board. Now we are here in the Create Board option. Now you can name your board however you like. So I'm going to name it Self-Care or Things to Buy. Now click on Next and it's done. Now you can add the videos that you want in this board. And there you go. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.